I tried Durian Cloud SMS 2025 and discovered this shocking truth. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Silver Legend here again with another update as usual. And today I'll be taking you guys through this shocking mouth-watering facts about Durian Cloud SMS portal. Now, let's go straight to the platform and how to get started. First and foremost, you might want to go to the platform where it says mm.durianrcs.com and then you create your account, right? Now I already have my account and then I just have to log into my account. So I'm gonna put it in and then I should get in. Okay, I'm gonna put it in again right here and then let's go in. Great one. Now I'm in the platform right now. As you can see right here, this is a platform created by the Chinese personals, and it's been so awesome, guys. So awesome. This platform has been rated amongst the topmost platform that offers the most cheapest cost for any country number verification you need for your online gigs, server platforms, and the likes. Now, you get registered from anywhere around the world except from the mainland China. And I would say during Cloud SMS, our CS has been great so far. Minimum deposit is as low as 50 cents, guys. Can you imagine that? 50 cents. Or better preferred, $1 based on what you need or it for. But though costs of a code verification will differ based on the site you want to verify. Yes, it's all based on the site you want to verify. You might want to um create an account. For example, you created an account on PayPal, and you would do this right here. So you click on English, and then this is so as for me to have everything being on English. And then if you are creating an account or you want to get a verification code from any country, as I already told you guys, you might want to click here where it says country and then select the country you want to make use of, right? As you can see right here, you can select the country you want to make use of, right? So this is right here. Okay, I hope you guys can see now. For example, let's say we're going for the US, right? I clicked on the US, United States, and there you go, the United States, right? So the next thing is you just tap on where it says inquiry projects. Now, whatever platforms. Now, let's say we're searching for Hey Cash. Can you see Hey Cash right here? For those of you guys that are actually working in surveys, you find Hey Cash right here. You find Hey P. This is a survey site I'll be reviewing very soon. You find a whole lot of them. You find Prime Opinion. You can see right here, Prime Opinion. You find PayPal if you're a person actually looking forward to doing stuff with PayPal accounts. You can also find PayPal account here. I mean PayPal project inquiry right here, where you can actually get a number for it, right? But like I said already, it actually differs in the amount you pay. Okay, yes, the amount for PayPal definitely is not the same amount for Hey Cash server sites or any of them like that, right? So it really differs. Now, right here, you get charged in points. Okay, you get charged in points, and you credit your account here on the platform in credits. Okay, as you can see right here. Okay, now let's say we go into funding our account. Here, this is how you fund your account. You just go to recharge. You tap on recharge and then it comes here. I just want you guys to see this and do the conversion rates yourselves, right? So you tap on. We actually, what I do is, you just phone with the Tune network, the Tone network, right? And then we phone with TRX, right? As you can see, and then you tap on next here, and it takes you in. Now, can you see it here? A dollar represents 680 points, right? 680 points. So any amount you want to put in, if you're funding $5, then you will see the amount you're putting, right? Right here. Can you see $5 represent equivalent to 22 TRX, right? And about the points, you get 3,400 points, right? That's what you get. Now, check this out. Check this out, guys. For PayPal. Okay, let's go back. We'll be going back shortly. I want to show you guys something. Pay close attention, guys. Pay close attention. Can you see right here? It says minimum. Can you see it? Minimum amount you can actually fund as a dollar, right? So that's the amount you can fund in. A dollar is the minimum amount you can actually fund in, right? I hope you understand, right? So now let's say we go in here back to where we are actually getting PayPal from, or the code for PayPal, right? Now, let's say we tap here. I'm going to make this video very, very short but detailed. Guys, pay close attention, watch through the end so you understand everything and how it works, right? Now, here, I'm going to tap on PayPal, search for PayPal, right? For example, okay? Now, this is PayPal, right? I just did it. And then next thing I want to do is, can you see the amount here PayPal costs? 200 credits, 200 credit, 200 points, right? Now, watch. 200 points should be equivalent to around that should be around 30 cents thereabouts. 30 cents or 20 cents thereabout, right? On the platform. You see how cheap it looks, right? You see how cheap it feels, right? Yeah, so that's how it is. That's how it is, guys. So you really want to have this done this way. If you are the kind of person that wants to go on with this one, then you can go on with that one, right? So if you want to go on with Hey Cash right here, you will find Hey Cash right here, and you would see Hey Cash here. Can you see Hey Cash is saying 50 credits, guys? 50 credits. This isn't up to, it's not up to 10 cents, I guess so, right? But you need to, for you to do all this, you need to fund a dollar before you can start taking out the credits, right? So, guys, that's how it is on the platform. It's pretty easy. You just get registered, guys. If this is the kind of videos you're looking forward to, please subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Drop your questions in the comment sections below. Drop your questions in the comment section below the description right there. I'll be dropping information for you guys to ask whatever you want to ask, drop whatever you want to drop. I'll always be there to respond to every one of your comments. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned. If you feel like I never drop much information right here on this particular video, drop the question and I'll give you the answer to everything. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.